students, welcome back to Nurse Queries. Today let's discuss the questions from hypothalamus. First one, hypothalamus is located below the option A, thyroid gland, option B, parathyroid gland, option C, thymus. Answer, option C, thymus. Second one, the hormone which is secreted by hypothalamus is called option A, releasing hormone, option B, hypothalamic hormone, option C, hypothalamic stimulating and inhibiting hormone. Option D, both A and B. Answer, option D, both A and B. Hypothalamic hormone is also known as releasing hormone or hypothalamic hormone. Third one, what is the function of preoptic nucleus? Option A, regulate the release of gonadotrophic hormone from the adenohypophysis. Option B, regulate circadian rhythm. Option C, vasopressin release. Answer, option A, regulate the release of gonadotrophic hormone from the adenohypophysis. Fourth one, name the nucleus located in the sac of pituitary that lacks a blood-brain barrier and contain many neuropeptides that are involved in regulating anterior pituitary secretion. Option A, arcuate nucleus. Option B, dendrites. Option C, presynaptic nucleus. Answer, option A, arcuate nucleus. Fifth one, where are the nuclei that provide input to this posterior pituitary and what hormones do they release? Option A, hypothalamus. Option B, anterior pituitary. Option C, from axon projection of pituitary. Answer, option A, hypothalamus. And it releases vasopressin and oxytocin. Sixth one, how many regions are there in hypothalamus? Option A, 3. Option B, 4. Option C, 5. Answer, option A, 3. There are 3 regions in hypothalamus. They are supraoptic, tuberal and mammillary. Seventh one, what connects hypothalamus to the pituitary? Option A, infundibulum. Option B, corpus callosum. Option C, anterior. Option D, cerebral cortex. Answer, option A, infundibulum. Eighth one, name the region of hypothalamus. Option A, supraoptic, tuberal and mammillary. Option B, supraoptic, preoptic and mammillary. Option C, tuberal, supraoptic and preoptic. Answer, option A, supraoptic, tuberal, mammillary. Ninth one, hypothalamus is a part of option A, midbrain. Option B, forebrain. Option C, hindbrain. Answer, option B, forebrain. 10th one, displacement of the set point in the hypothalamus is due to option A, pathogens. Option B, effectors. Option C, receptors. Option D, pyrogens. Answer, option D, pyrogens. 11th one, hormones produced in hypothalamus are option A, oxytocin and estrogen. Option B, oxytocin and testosterone. Option C, oxytocin and antidiuretic hormones. Option D, oxytocin and thyroxine. Answer, option C, oxytocin and antidiuretic hormone. 12th one, what is the function of preoptic nucleus? Option A, thermoregulation. Option B, regulate the release of gonadotrophic hormone. Option C, vasopressin release. Answer, option A, thermoregulation. 13th one, which nuclei of hypothalamus control the release of vasopressin and oxytocin? Option A, supraoptic nucleus. Option B, mammillary nuclei. Option C, dorsomedial hypothalamic nucleus. Answer, option A, supraoptic nucleus. 14th one, which of the following events could be a result of damage to hypothalamus portal system? Option A, decreased secretion of ADH. Option B, decreased secretion of oxytocin. Option C, decreased secretion of TSH. Answer, option C, decreased secretion of TSH. 15th one, secretion of many anterior pituitary hormones are controlled by other hormones from option A, pancreatic lobe. Option B, adrenal gland. Option C, hypothalamus. Option D, thyroid gland. Answer, option C, hypothalamus. 16th one, which of the following consists of nerve tissue and downgrowth from hypothalamus? Option A, posterior pituitary. Option B, anterior pituitary. Option C, thymus. Option D, adrenal. Answer, option A, posterior pituitary. 17th one, if hypothalamus fails to secrete gonadotropin releasing hormone, the effect would be option A, hypersecretion of oxytocin. Option B, hypersecretion of prolactin. Option C, hypersecretion of pituitary gonadotropins. Option D, hypersecretion of pituitary gonadotropins. Answer, option D, hypersecretion of pituitary gonadotropins. 18th one, osmoreceptors in hypothalamus are involved in option A, secretion of growth hormone. Option B, secretion of ADH. Option C, secretion of ACTH. Answer, option B, secretion of ADH. 19th one, from what structure is the hypothalamus continuous with posterior pituitary? Option A, infundibulous sac. Option B, optic sac. Option C, tegmentum sac. Answer, option A, infundibulous sac. 20th one, gonadotropin releasing hormone directly stimulate the release of option A, follicle stimulating hormone or FSH. Option B, progesterone. Option C, estrogen. Option D, thyrocalcitonin. Answer, option A, FSH.
Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get further notification.